There's a style of YouTube videos exploding right now, and the numbers honestly don't look real. Some of these channels have less than 15 uploads, yet they're pulling millions of views with simple 3D animated documentaries. We're talking about channels gaining hundreds of thousands of subscribers in just a few months. And if you've been on YouTube recently, you've probably already seen this style all over your homepage. Clean 3D mannequin animations, simple storytelling, high retention, and videos people can't stop watching. Take a look at channels like Fern and others in this space. Some of them are pulling millions of views every single month with the exact same format. One channel grew past 300,000 subscribers with only a handful of uploads. Another exploded with millions of views in just a few weeks. And here's the crazy part. Most people assume videos like these require a huge animation team, expensive software, or years of experience. A few months ago, that was true, but now AI has completely changed the process. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these 3D animated documentary videos step by step using AI tools. From finding viral topics, to writing the script, generating the visuals, creating voiceovers, editing the final video, and even designing the thumbnails. Everything broken down in an easy way. The real reason these channels are blowing up is because they combine strong storytelling with simple but clean visuals. People stay watching because the videos constantly build curiosity. That's what makes this niche so powerful. I've spent weeks analyzing channels in this space, studying what keeps viewers watching, how the animations are structured, and why these videos perform so well. So in this video, I'll walk you through the exact system you can use to build this style yourself. And trust me, once you see how simple the production process actually is, it's going to change the way you look at faceless YouTube channels. So let's break down how to build this. I made this entire process incredibly easy for you guys. Everything is basically plug and play. Inside the prompting doc, I've listed all the important prompts you'll need to start creating 3D animation videos today. Link is in the description. The first step is generating video ideas, and for this step, we're going to use ChatGPT. The reason most beginners fail is because they start generating random stuff with zero system behind it. Random ideas, random characters, random visuals, and the final result always feels messy. So instead of doing that, we're going to build an actual animation pipeline from the start. All you need to do is head over to the prompting doc and grab the video idea prompt, then paste it into ChatGPT. Now this next step is important. Before clicking generate, head over to your competitor's channel, grab 10 of their best performing video titles, and paste them back into ChatGPT. Now, when you generate ideas, you're not getting random content anymore. You're generating titles engineered around curiosity, simple concepts that instantly make people want to click. For example, how one hacker shut down a country. That's powerful, it's relatable, and it instantly creates curiosity. That's exactly the style we want. And once you lock the idea in, we move into phase 2, the scripting. When it comes to writing scripts for this style of 3D animation, the goal is to make the audience feel like they're uncovering something hidden in real time. That's why I built a custom script formula specifically for this niche. It's designed around the exact storytelling structure used by channels like Fern and other modern cinematic documentary creators. All you need to do is head over to ChatGPT, paste in the script formula from the prompting doc, and then give it your video topic. From there, ChatGPT will generate a structured documentary-style script built specifically for cinematic 3D animation. The pacing, the tension, the scene structure, the curiosity loops, even the visual storytelling. Everything is already built into the system. Now, once your script is finished, the next step is creating the voiceover. I'm using 11 Labs, but you can use any AI voice software you prefer. For this niche, voice choice is extremely important. Avoid robotic or overly philosophical voices. They immediately break the emotional connection. People need to feel like someone is speaking to them, not at them. Choose a voice that sounds mature, calm, and slightly warm. Once you've selected your voice, copy your script section by section from ChatGPT and paste it into 11 Labs. Click Generate, wait a few seconds, and download the audio file. And if you're using the V3 model, which is their newest model right now, you get access to really cool stuff like making the voice laugh, whisper, sound dramatic, or deliver certain parts in a specific tone. Check this one out.
At 2 a.m. on April 27, 2007, the streets of Tallinn, Estonia were quiet.
Amazing. Now, let's move on to the most important part, which is creating characters for your videos. This is where most AI animation videos completely fall apart. People generate brand new characters for every single scene, and the final result feels like 5 different shows stitched together. So instead, we create a fixed cinematic cast, 5 to 10 core characters that will exist across your entire video. Inside the dock, grab the cinematic character prompt and drop it into ChatGPT, the same chat where you generated your script. You can add your own creative direction if you already have a vision, or let the AI develop the style for you. ChatGPT will generate character prompts for each important character in your story. Copy and save all of them. Now head over to Google Flow, paste your first prompt, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and generate the image. Within a few seconds, you'll get your first character. You'll notice the style feels similar to the successful channels in this niche: calm, minimal, cinematic, and focused on emotion. Now go back to ChatGPT and grab the prompt for the next character. Paste it into Flow and generate the next image. Repeat this process for the rest of your characters. Now all of your characters will share the same art style and visual consistency. Alright, now it's time to bring them to life with animation. Start by going back to your document file. Find the video prompt section, copy it, and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate high-quality animation prompts that are already well thought out, so you don't need to worry about adding sound effects or extra visual effects at this stage. Now when you're inside Google Flow and you click on the video model, make sure you switch from frames to video over to ingredients to video. And this part is really important because it allows you to upload multiple reference images for a specific style. And for what we're building, that's exactly what we need. Multiple shots of our characters in different environments and situations, so the model fully understands the visual language we're trying to create. So once I switch to the ingredients option, I'm going to upload all the images mentioned in the first chapter, then paste in my prompt and hit generate. Within a few minutes, you'll have your first animated scene. Honestly, the results are already pretty solid, and I'm not even using the most accurate Flow model yet. Alright, let's run the next prompt into Flow with all the character references needed for that specific scene. And after a few seconds, we've got our second animation clip. Continue doing this for each scene, one by one, until your entire video has been turned into animation. Once you're finished, download all the clips you want to use in your final edit. Alright, our video is almost complete. Now it's time for the final editing stage. For this part, I'm using CapCut. It's free, simple, and honestly perfect for this type of cinematic animation workflow. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. Then import all the animated sequences you generated along with your voiceover file. First, drag the voiceover onto the timeline. Next, listen through the audio carefully and remove any awkward pauses or empty spaces, but make sure you don't cut into the natural pacing of the narration. Once your voiceover feels clean and smooth, start placing your animation clips onto the timeline. Sync every scene carefully with the narration so the visuals match exactly what's being said. This part matters a lot because good timing is what makes these 3D documentary videos feel cinematic and professional. Now let's add background music. This is a huge part of videos like this. The music carries the tension, emotion, and pacing of the entire documentary. Head over to the YouTube audio library and look for tracks that feel cinematic, atmospheric, and suspenseful without overpowering the narration. Usually, 1 or 2 tracks are more than enough for a short documentary-style video. Add them to your timeline and lower the volume properly. Your voiceover should always stay clear and easy to understand. Once everything is in place, watch the full video from beginning to end. Check the pacing, check the transitions, make sure the scenes flow naturally, and the energy stays consistent throughout the video. Once everything feels smooth, hit export, and your documentary is done. Let's check out the final result.
At 2 a.m. on April 27, 2007, the streets of Tallinn, Estonia were quiet. Then the banks stopped responding. ATMs froze mid-transaction. Government websites vanished. News organizations went dark. Emergency communication systems slowed to a crawl. Inside office buildings across the capital, computer monitors filled with error messages faster than technicians could read them. At first, it looked temporary. A server failure, a routing issue, maybe sabotage inside a single network. Not this. Entire waves of traffic were suddenly slamming into Estonia's digital infrastructure from around the world. Tens of thousands of infected computers firing requests every second like artillery shells. Government ministries, parliament, telecom providers, hospitals, financial systems. One of the most digitally connected countries on Earth was being suffocated in real time. And nobody knew who was behind it.
Alright, now the video is finished, but it still needs packaging. Head back to the prompting dock and grab the thumbnail prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT along with your video topic, then hit Generate. ChatGPT will generate 3 detailed thumbnails prompts to help you create the perfect thumbnail for your video. Copy your first thumbnail prompt, head over to Flow, use the same image style settings as before, and generate your thumbnail. Just look at that. It literally looks like a professional designer spent hours on this in Photoshop. I love it. Now you've got a fully packaged, cinematic 3D documentary ready to upload. And guys, with that, we've reached the end of today's video. I genuinely hope at least a few of you take action today and start building your own 3D animation documentary channel. Wishing you all the best.